My name's Gary Dodd. I work with the Clark County Highway Department. I'm the Assistant Superintendent for the county, and we use Easy Street to keep the roads safe in Clark County. 2 years ago, we had a salesman come by and give us 4 or 5 bags of Easy Street. And so we had some potholes at a high traffic area that we could put coal patch in, and a week or two later, we was out there doing it again, and it just constantly all winter. So I said, let's try this on these holes here and get rid of the potholes. We'll show the potholes who's boss. There's stuff still in that pothole. We've had a lot of rain this year, and we had a place over a culvert pipe that had washed out. We had to close the road, it was so bad. So we came in, got a load of Easy Street, put it over the pipe, re-tamped it in and took care of it, and it was opened the road back up. So it saved the day that day. We do it in the winter, summer, raining. It really doesn't matter that in all weather conditions, it maintains its integrity and is easy to work with. We waste a lot less time of filling potholes. The crew loves working with Easy Street. It's easy to put in, it's pliable, and you only have to put it in once, and it stays, it lasts. Easy Street has increased our productivity, and we do a lot less refilling of the potholes, a lot less. We can fill the pothole once, and it stays filled. It doesn't work out, especially in high traffic areas where we had not great success with other competitors. We've tried a couple other different people in the past, and it just doesn't work. You don't have to repeatedly go back over and over and over. I've not had any problem with Easy Street. We constantly have projects coming up. Through the winter, we fill the potholes with Easy Street, and then we also top off when we install a new culvert pipe, and it settles a bit, then we'll put it in there until we can put hot patch over the roadway. We use Easy Street because it's easy to work with, and it maintains, it stays there, and we don't have to worry about it. It's a superior product, I think, because it stays. Yes, it works, absolutely.